Do you ever feel like you are doing everything right, yet your body still gives you trouble? Many seniors carefully watch their meals, stay active, and drink plenty of water, but kidney issues still appear. You may notice swollen ankles, foamy urine, high blood pressure, or that constant tired feeling that refuses to go away. It feels confusing and unfair, doesn't it? You try so hard, yet your health still whispers warnings. The truth is, some habits that look perfectly healthy on the surface can actually hurt your kidneys over time. Once you pass 60, your kidneys become more delicate, and small mistakes can quietly overload them. That means certain good habits may not be so good after all. The good news is that once you understand which habits secretly harm your kidneys, you can replace them with safer choices and protect your health. In today's video, we are going to uncover the 10 most surprising healthy habits that are secretly damaging your kidneys. Stay with me until the end, because even one change today can bring you more energy tomorrow. Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful kidney health guides on our website. We have good news for you. We've covered complete senior-friendly diet plans for this on thevitatrack.com. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 10. Drinking too much water. Many seniors are told that drinking lots of water keeps the kidneys safe, so they start forcing down glasses all day long. At first, this feels harmless, even healthy, but too much water can actually overwhelm aging kidneys. Your kidneys act like delicate filters. When you flood them with more water than your body needs, they work overtime to remove the extra fluid. This can dilute important minerals in your blood, disturb sodium balance, and even trigger swelling in your ankles or feet. Seniors with hidden heart issues or weaker kidney function may notice shortness of breath at night or heavier legs by evening. The better approach is balance. Your body already gives signals when it needs water, like a dry mouth or darker urine. For most seniors, 6 to 8 moderate glasses a day is enough unless a doctor suggests otherwise. Also, spread your water intake through the day instead of drinking large amounts at once. Adding hydrating foods like cucumbers, melons, or oranges can also help without pushing your kidneys too hard. Remember, more is not always better. Listening to your body's natural thirst cues is the safest way to protect your kidneys while still staying refreshed. 9. Overusing herbal teas. Herbal teas often feel like the safest choice compared to coffee or sugary drinks. Many seniors drink several cups a day, believing herbs are gentle and healing. But here's the secret. Not all herbal teas are safe for kidneys. Certain blends, especially those with licorice root, nettle, or high amounts of oxalates, can quietly strain your kidneys. Licorice raises blood pressure, nettle increases urination, and oxalates can form kidney stones if taken in excess. Even green tea, when consumed in very large amounts, carries compounds that the kidneys must filter more heavily. The tricky part is that teas are marketed as natural, so people rarely think of risks. If you notice restlessness, higher blood pressure, or frequent urination after drinking tea, it may be overworking your kidneys. Seniors with sensitive kidneys should be extra cautious. Instead of having multiple cups daily, limit yourself to 1 or 2 and rotate different types. Herbal teas can still be enjoyable when used wisely, but moderation matters. If you love warm drinks, plain hot water with a slice of lemon or ginger can be much kinder to your kidneys. Small adjustments like this can protect your health while still keeping your routines comforting. 8. Taking too many supplements. Many seniors take supplements for energy, bones, and immunity. Vitamins and minerals seem harmless, but when taken in excess, they can secretly damage kidneys. Supplements like vitamin C, when taken too high, increase oxalate buildup, leading to kidney stones. High doses of vitamin D or calcium can overload your kidneys and create calcification problems. Even protein powders or muscle boosters can push aging kidneys into overdrive by making them filter more waste. The challenge is that supplements pile up. A senior might take one for memory, another for bones, one for joints, and soon they are swallowing more than their kidneys can handle. The body absorbs only what it needs, and the rest becomes waste that the kidneys must strain out. Over time, this creates silent stress, even if you feel fine today. The safer path is to take only what your doctor recommends based on blood tests. Food should remain the main source of nutrients, with supplements acting as gentle support when truly needed. Natural sources like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, or fish provide balanced nutrition without overwhelming your kidneys. Remember, moderation and guidance always win over self-prescribing. Your kidneys will thank you for every safe choice. 7. Overeating healthy protein foods. Protein is important for muscles, and many seniors believe more protein keeps them stronger. Foods like chicken, eggs, or dairy are often eaten in large amounts, sometimes at every meal. While protein is essential, too much can silently harm kidneys. Proteins break down into waste products like urea, which your kidneys must filter out. Eating excessive protein every day creates constant pressure, making these filters weaker over time. A common mistake is thinking that doubling protein means doubling health. Seniors who combine protein powders with high-protein diets unknowingly overload their kidneys. This can lead to fatigue, swelling, and higher creatinine levels. The balance lies in choosing moderate portions. Instead of eating large amounts of meat or eggs daily, try plant-based proteins like beans or lentils in smaller servings. Mixing protein sources gives variety without putting all the weight on your kidneys. Doctors often suggest that seniors with weaker kidneys lower their protein intake slightly to reduce stress on these filters. Listening to your doctor and keeping portions steady is the safest path. You do not need to avoid protein altogether, but you should not overeat it either. Balanced meals bring strength without hidden damage. 6. Using painkillers. Too often, headaches, back pain, or joint aches are common after 60. So many seniors rely on over-the-counter painkillers. Medicines like ibuprofen or naproxen seem safe when used occasionally, but frequent use quietly injures kidneys. These drugs reduce blood flow to the kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste. Over time, this raises blood pressure and speeds up kidney wear. Seniors may notice bloating, reduced urine output, or sudden spikes in blood pressure. The risk is higher if you combine these painkillers with dehydration or alcohol. Even herbal pain relief creams, when taken in pill form, can stress kidneys. If you find yourself reaching for painkillers often, it may be time to talk to your doctor about safer alternatives. Gentle stretches, warm compresses, turmeric, or guided exercises can ease pain naturally without harming kidneys. Remember, painkillers should be the last option, not the first. Use them for emergencies, not for daily comfort. Your kidneys are too valuable to put at constant risk. With safer alternatives, you can manage pain while still protecting your long-term health. 5. Drinking too much milk. Milk is often seen as the ultimate healthy drink for strong bones. Seniors are told from childhood that milk is always good. But here's the hidden truth. Too much milk can stress your kidneys. Milk contains high amounts of phosphorus and calcium. While these minerals are essential, in excess, they build up and force your kidneys to work harder. Over time, this can create imbalances in your blood, especially if your kidney function is already lower with age. Some seniors also develop lactose intolerance without realizing it, which adds bloating and discomfort. If you drink several glasses of milk every day, your kidneys may feel the strain. Symptoms like fatigue, swelling, or digestive trouble could be linked. The safer option is moderation. One small glass or using milk alternatives like oat or almond milk can reduce the load. Also, getting calcium from leafy greens, nuts, or small fish is often safer for aging kidneys. Before we continue, here's something important. We've uploaded free kidney health guides on our website, thevitatrack.com, with full diet plans made for seniors. You'll also find extra tips linked in the description and pinned comment. Make sure to check them if you want a step-by-step guide to protect your kidneys. 4. Overeating low-salt packaged foods. Many seniors try to reduce salt, so they turn to packaged foods labeled low sodium or heart healthy. It feels like a smart swap, but here's the problem. These products often replace salt with artificial preservatives or hidden chemicals. While sodium may be lower, your kidneys must still filter out artificial flavorings, additives, and hidden phosphates. These substances stress the kidneys in ways that are not obvious on the label. Frozen dinners, canned soups, or diet snacks marketed as low salt can still raise blood pressure and trigger swelling. Seniors often believe they are protecting their health, yet the additives quietly damage kidney filters. Instead, the safer path is cooking simple meals at home with fresh ingredients. Using herbs, lemon, or natural spices can flavor food without artificial load. If you do use packaged foods, read the ingredient list carefully. Look for hidden words like phosphate, preservative, or flavor enhancer. Your kidneys are delicate and do best with real, whole foods. By cooking at home and using natural flavors, you give your body nourishment without hidden risks. 3. Relying on diet drinks. Many seniors switch from sugary sodas to diet drinks, thinking they are healthier. These beverages often claim to have 0 sugar or 0 calories, but what they don't show is the hidden cost to your kidneys. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose make your kidneys work harder. Over time, these chemicals may reduce kidney function and upset the balance of your gut. Some studies link diet sodas to higher risks of kidney disease in older adults. The problem grows when seniors drink them daily, believing they are harmless. Symptoms like bloating, headaches, or poor digestion may quietly signal the stress. Instead of diet sodas, safer options include sparkling water with a slice of lemon or unsweetened herbal drinks in moderation. These choices hydrate without forcing your kidneys to filter artificial chemicals. Want extra support? Join our YouTube membership for early videos, targeted diet plans, and exclusive senior health guides. This community is designed to keep you informed and supported every single day. Switching from diet drinks to cleaner choices can bring back energy, reduce bloating, and give your kidneys the relief they deserve. 2. Eating. Too many, healthy. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and bran are often praised as healthy. Seniors choose them over white rice or refined flour, believing they are always better. But in large amounts, whole grains can quietly overload kidneys. Many whole grains contain high amounts of phosphorus and potassium, which healthy kidneys can handle but weaker ones cannot. For seniors already struggling with kidney sensitivity, these minerals accumulate in the blood, leading to bone weakness, heart stress, or muscle cramps. Another issue is portion size. Instead of a small serving, many people fill half their plate with brown rice or eat oatmeal daily in large bowls. Over time, this makes kidneys filter more than they can manage. This does not mean avoiding grains completely. The key is portion control and variety. Rotate different grains like barley, quinoa, or even small amounts of white rice with vegetables. By balancing meals, you give your body energy without overloading the filters. Always listen to your doctor about how much phosphorus or potassium you should limit. Healthy eating means balance, not excess, especially when protecting aging kidneys. 1. Over-exercising in the name of fitness. Exercise is wonderful for heart, bones, and energy, but seniors sometimes push too hard. Believing more exercise always means better health. They overexert themselves with long walks, heavy weights, or intense routines. What feels like discipline can secretly harm kidneys. When muscles work too hard, they release proteins like creatine and myoglobin, which kidneys must filter. In excess, this overwhelms the kidneys and leads to fatigue, darker urine, or muscle soreness that lingers for days. The hidden risk is that seniors may not realize the stress building up inside. While light to moderate exercise supports kidney health, overexercising creates the opposite effect. Signs like unusual tiredness, cramps, or changes in urine are warnings that your kidneys are struggling. The better choice is gentle, consistent activity. Walking, light stretching, yoga, or simple resistance exercises give strength without strain. Always allow your body time to rest and recover. Remember, you are not in a race. Protecting your kidneys means listening to your body and respecting its limits. Small, steady steps keep you healthier for longer. You have now learned about 10 surprising habits that may look healthy, but secretly stress your kidneys. Drinking too much water, overusing herbal teas, taking too many supplements, overloading on protein, or pushing yourself too hard during exercise can all seem harmless at first. But with time, they quietly damage your body's delicate filters. The truth is, kidney health is not about doing more, but about doing what is balanced, gentle, and right for your age. The wonderful news is that small changes make a big difference. By moderating your water, food, and exercise, and choosing safer habits, you give your kidneys the calm environment they need to recover and protect you. Seniors who listen to their body and act with care often feel lighter, more energetic, and safer with each passing day. To stay on a healthy routine and never miss future guidance, check the link in the description and pinned comment. You'll find thevitatrack.com with complete diet plans, and our YouTube membership where thousands of seniors feel more supported every day. Always consult your doctor before making any change. You are stronger than you think, and every step toward balance is a step toward better health.